Welcome back to Bitcoin Dorks, your daily source for the latest news and updates in the world of cryptocurrencies. In today's video, we'll be discussing a significant legal development in South Korea. The country's court is set to decide whether LUNC, a cryptocurrency, qualifies as a security. Additionally, the trial of Terraform Shin is about to begin. Let's dive into the details. Before we delve into the upcoming court decision, let's provide some background on LUNC. LUNC is a cryptocurrency that has gained attention in the South Korean market. It operates on a blockchain network and has been involved in various activities, including fundraising, token sales, and community development. However, the legal classification of LUNC as a security is at the heart of the ongoing legal proceedings. The South Korean court's decision regarding the classification of LUNC as security holds significant implications for the cryptocurrency industry within the country. If the court determines that LUNC falls under the definition of security, it would mean that additional regulatory requirements and compliance measures may be imposed on its issuance, trading, and related activities. This decision could potentially have a ripple effect on other cryptocurrencies operating within South Korea. It's important to note that the court's decision is based on a careful examination of various factors, including the nature of LUNC, its issuance method, and its role within the ecosystem. The court will consider whether LUNC exhibits characteristics that align with traditional securities, such as investment contracts or ownership interests. This decision will not only impact LUNC but could also set a precedent for the regulatory treatment of other cryptocurrencies facing similar legal challenges. Another significant legal proceeding is set to commence, the trial of Terraform Shin. Terraform is a blockchain-based project that aims to revolutionize various industries through the use of decentralized technology. However, the trial focuses on the actions of a key figure associated with Terraform, Shin, and his alleged involvement in certain activities related to the project. The trial will carefully examine the actions and responsibilities of Shin within the context of Terraform. It will assess whether Shin has committed any legal infractions, such as fraud, misrepresentation, or violations of regulatory requirements. The proceedings will determine the extent of Shin's involvement in the alleged activities and evaluate the impact they may have had on investors, stakeholders, and the overall integrity of the project. This trial is not only crucial for Shin and Terraform but also holds broader implications for the blockchain community. It underscores the importance of accountability, transparency, and adherence to legal standards within the cryptocurrency space. The outcome of the trial will shed light on the legal boundaries and responsibilities of key figures within blockchain projects, highlighting the need for ethical conduct and regulatory compliance. As the trial unfolds, it will be closely watched by industry participants, investors, and regulators alike. The verdict and any subsequent legal actions may have far-reaching implications for similar projects and individuals involved in the blockchain space. It will shape the future direction of legal and regulatory frameworks, contributing to the overall development and maturation of the cryptocurrency industry. It's essential to await the outcome of the trial and the court's judgment before drawing final conclusions. Until then, it's crucial to respect the legal process and recognize that the trial will provide valuable insights into the responsibilities and legal obligations of individuals within the blockchain industry. The outcomes of both the classification of LUNC as a security and the trial of Terraform Shin hold significant potential to shape the regulatory landscape, investor sentiment, and industry practices within South Korea's cryptocurrency ecosystem. A decision by the South Korean court to classify LUNC as a security would have far-reaching implications for the cryptocurrency industry in the country. It could result in additional regulatory requirements, compliance measures, and oversight imposed on the issuance, trading, and other activities related to LUNC. This decision would set a precedent for the treatment of other cryptocurrencies facing similar legal challenges, potentially leading to a more regulated and investor-protective environment. The trial of Terraform Shin carries its own weight of significance. The verdict will determine the legal consequences and responsibilities of individuals involved in blockchain projects. A fair and just trial will reinforce the importance of ethical conduct, transparency, and adherence to regulatory standards within the cryptocurrency industry. It will demonstrate that legal accountability is essential for maintaining investor trust, protecting stakeholders, and ensuring the sustainable growth of the blockchain ecosystem. The outcomes of these legal proceedings are not limited to the parties directly involved. They can have broader implications for the cryptocurrency industry within South Korea. If LUNC is classified as a security and additional regulations are imposed, it may influence market participants, exchanges, and investors to adapt their practices to meet the new requirements. This could lead to a more mature, secure, and compliant ecosystem. The decisions made in these cases may impact investor sentiment and market confidence in South Korea's cryptocurrency market. A favorable outcome that reinforces investor protection and regulatory oversight can foster trust and attract more participants to the market. On the other hand, a negative outcome or a lack of clear regulations may create uncertainty and hinder the growth of the industry. As the South Korean court prepares to decide whether LUNC is a security and the trial of Terraform Shin begins, the cryptocurrency industry within the country holds its breath. The outcomes of these legal proceedings have the potential to shape regulations, investor protection, and the overall sentiment toward cryptocurrencies in South Korea. We will closely monitor the developments in these cases and provide you with the latest updates. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, Bitcoin Dorks, for more news and analysis on